Airbus A220 grounding crisis. Latest updates 2026. Welcome back to Flights Assistance. Today we're diving into the ongoing Airbus A220 grounding situation that's been plaguing operators worldwide. The A220 is praised for its efficiency and passenger comfort, but Pratt & Whitney engine issues have kept a significant portion of the fleet on the ground. Let's break down the latest developments in 5 key points. Point 1. The scale of the problem. The Airbus A220 fleet has faced serious challenges due to Pratt & Whitney PW1500G geared turbofan engines. As of late 2025 into 2026, reports showed roughly 15 to 22% of the global A220 fleet grounded, around 7699 aircraft out of over 450 delivered. These groundings stem from premature wear, corrosion, and powder metal contamination in the engines, requiring more frequent and lengthy maintenance. While not a safety issue, the disruptions have caused major operational headaches, with some airlines reporting up to 42% of their fleet potentially needing inspections soon. Point 2. Impact on major airlines. Several carriers have been heavily affected. Swiss made the tough call to ground its entire fleet of 9 A220-100s for at least 18 months, cannibalizing engines to support its larger A220-300s. Other operators like Air Austral retired their A220s entirely, while Egypt Air and Iraqi Airways also faced full or near-full groundings. Delta Airlines and others have had multiple aircraft sidelined for engine work. These moves have led to schedule disruptions, higher costs, and in some cases, permanent retirements of aircraft to harvest parts. Point 3. Root cause. Pratt & Whitney engines. The core issue traces back to manufacturing problems in the PW1500G engines, including contamination and durability concerns. This has created a massive backlog at maintenance facilities with long turnaround times for repairs. Pratt & Whitney, RTX, has acknowledged the problem and is working on fixes, but supply chain shortages continue to delay resolutions. Airbus and Pratt & Whitney are collaborating closely, yet the situation has persisted longer than many expected, affecting not just A220s but other GTF-powered aircraft. Point 4. Positive signs and recovery. There is some good news. Air Baltic, one of the hardest-hit operators, reported 0 A220 groundings due to engines in the first quarter of 2026. The airline expects minimal disruptions during the summer peak season. This suggests that with improved maintenance protocols and engine reliability enhancements, some operators are turning the corner. Airbus continues pushing for higher production rates and is exploring a stretched A220-500 variant to boost the program. Point 5. What this means for the future. The A220 remains a strong aircraft with excellent passenger feedback and efficiency, but engine reliability must improve for long-term success. Persistent issues have slowed orders and hurt operator confidence. Airbus faces a challenge to stabilize the program amid competition from Embraer. For passengers, this means potential schedule changes on A220 routes, but safety is not compromised. Watch for updates as Pratt & Whitney ramps up repairs through 2026-2027. Conclusion. The A220 story shows both the promise and challenges of modern aviation tech. Like this video, subscribe and hit the bell for more aviation updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which airline do you think will recover fastest? Thanks for watching. Safe travels!